Now let's add another page to our app. Click on the green plus sign next to page 2. Open the page editor for this page, and let's call this page 3. Let's add a background video to this page. Now let's add one more page. Again, tap on the green plus sign, tap on the page. Let's call this page 4. For this page, you can add a background color or video or image as you like. Now let's return to page 2. Tap on page 2 in the page navigation palette. Now we can edit page 2 a little more. Since we now have more pages in our app, we need to be able to go both forward and backward between our pages. So let's add another button. Again, give it a title. And add a script. Let's also add buttons to pages 3 and 4 so that we can fully navigate between the pages of our storybook. Remember that page 4 is the last page in our storybook right now, so we don't need to add a button to go forward, only back. So you now have a 4-page storybook, complete with images, text, and a way for your user to navigate between pages. If you haven't already, click Run App in the upper right corner to test your app out. Make sure you can go back and forth between pages. Click Done to return to development mode. So we've looked at how to add pages and how to add, rearrange, and delete objects. But you can also rearrange and delete pages if you change your mind. To rearrange pages, click on Edit App in the upper left corner. If you scroll down to the Page section, you'll see a list of all the pages in your app. This function is similar to the Object section of your page editor, which lists all of the objects on your page. But now you can rearrange the pages in your app. Click on the red minus sign in the Pages section, and as with objects, you'll see a hamburger stack to the right of each page. Let's say you want to switch the order of your story. Let's drag page 3 above page 2. Click Done. You'll now see in the page navigation palette that page 3 appears before page 2. Remember that the scripts we added for Go Next Page and Go Previous Page move between pages in sequential order. So now if you click Run App in the upper right corner and click to turn the page from the first page, you'll go to page 3. Click to turn the page again and you'll go to page 2. This is because your pages are now in the order page 1, page 3, page 2. Click Go Back and you'll return in the same order you came through. You can use the same process for deleting pages as well. Click on Edit App and scroll down to the Page section. Click the red minus sign next to the Pages heading. You'll now see a red minus sign appear next to each page of your app. To delete the page, simply tap the red minus sign and click the Delete button. Be absolutely sure that you want to delete your page before hitting delete because you won't be able to bring the page back once you do so.